Hi guys! On this video, ipapakita ko kung paano magbayad ng smart bills through the BPI online app. Once you enter the app, punta kayo dito sa Pay or Load. Then, select Bills. Pay From. Select the account kung saan manggagaling yung bayad. And then Pay To. On my case, na-add ko na yung Smart ko as a favorite biller. So, dito siya lalabas. Pero if not, you can just go to All Billers and then hanapin nyo si Smart. In order to know kung paano mag-add ng billers sa favorites, check out this video. Once na-add nyo na, just place the amount. And then, kung fixed naman yung binabayaran nyo monthly, pwede nyong ischedule under frequency. Para hindi na kayo nagbabayad, automatically na siyang binabayaran. Click continue, verify your details if correct, and then click confirm. And that's it. Makikita nyo agad na na-reflect yung payment ko on my transactions history. I hope you learned something on this video. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell in order to be notified on more videos similar to these. Thank you guys. Bye!